Public address loudspeaker big win for India. India and the United Kingdom have sealed a landmark trade agreement, giving Indian exporters massive market access, especially in textiles, footwear, gems, jewelry, and marine products, all set to enter the UK at zero duty, down from tariffs as high as 20%. Speaking Head-in-Silhouette Prime Minister Narendra Modi and UK PM Keir Starmer shook hands after the signing of this historic deal at Chequers on Thursday, with Commerce Minister Piyush Goyal and UK Trade Secretary Jonathan Reynolds completing the formalities. 1. India's big gains. White heavy checkmark. The deal gives India a major boost in job-creating sectors. Seafood, dairy, and meat exports will now enjoy zero tariffs, down from 20%. In the food sector, India successfully negotiated duty cuts on 99.7% of tariff lines. Some tariffs earlier were as high as 70%. For sectors like textiles, footwear, and jewelry, Indian businesses are celebrating, as UK duties are gone. 2. What India offered in return. Hammer and wrench in exchange, India opened its doors to British companies. UK firms will now be allowed to participate in India's government tenders, a first-ever Class 2 status under the Make in India initiative. India also cut tariffs on automobiles and alcoholic beverages, historically some of the most protected sectors. For example, UK-origin alcohol, like whiskey, brandy, rum, vodka, and tequila, will now face lower duties, but only if they meet a minimum import price. The current 150% duty will gradually drop to 75% by year 10. Close lock with key. This protects India's domestic liquor industry while giving premium UK spirits a competitive edge. 3. Major policy shifts and concerns. Scales. But the deal isn't without controversy. Chart with downward trend. Experts say India's public procurement access offer to the UK is the most generous ever, even more than the UAE deal, and may weaken Make in India. Left-pointing magnifying glass. Under the current terms, UK firms can use up to 80% of foreign components and still qualify under Indian government tenders. Direct hit. This could set a dangerous precedent for future free trade agreements with the EU or the US, making it harder for India to protect jobs and promote domestic industries. Pill. Another major shift. India has made concessions on intellectual property rights, IPR. UK patent holders can now issue voluntary licenses, a move experts say could limit India's ability to ensure affordable medicine access, especially for life-saving drugs. Cheering megaphone. Why the UK-India trade deal brings clear economic gains, especially in exports and market access, experts warn that key policy tools like procurement and IPR might have been compromised. Bell. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth news updates from around the world.